My name is Philip Kane. I'm the CEO of Lexani Tire. We've got headquarters in Los Angeles, California, and Detroit, Michigan. Our products are primarily targeted at all walks of consumers. We feature three brands of tires: Lexani, Lionheart, and Rolling Big Power. Lexani are primarily targeted at sports enthusiasts. Rolling Big Power is targeted at the off-road enthusiast, and Lionheart targeted at the everyday driver. You might see as you walk around, our tagline with Lexani is "Get everything, sacrifice nothing." We build all the value into Lexani at a value price. So compared to a Michelin, which you mentioned, consumers can have virtually all the performance that they receive in a Michelin tire at a significantly lower price. And that's what we're all about at Lexani. We believe that consumers should have access to all of the performance without having to spend $1,800, $1,900, $2,000 for a set of tires. We sell primarily wholesale to the trade. For example, one of our large wholesale customers in this area is Kane Tire, who sells on to a host of retailers in the area. You can find our tires in many retailers in central and southern Michigan, but we sell primarily wholesale to the trade.